Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for the Zelle mobile app. Zelle is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money directly from their bank accounts. To get started with Zelle, it is essential to download and install the app from the App Store and enroll with your bank or credit union. Once you have enrolled, you can start sending and receiving money. To send money, simply select the recipient from your contact list or enter their email address or mobile number. Enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if needed. Review the transaction details and confirm the payment. To receive money, make sure the sender has your correct email address or mobile number enrolled with Zelle. You will receive a notification when someone sends you money and you can deposit it directly into your bank account. One of the key concepts to keep in mind when using Zelle is security. Zelle uses robust security measures to protect your transactions and account information. However, it is still important to be cautious when sending money to avoid scams and fraud. Here are some best practices to keep in mind when using Zelle. Only send money to people you know and trust. Be cautious of scams and never send money to someone you do not know. Keep your phone and app up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. In addition to these best practices, it is also important to understand the limits and fees associated with Zelle. There are no fees to send or receive money with Zelle. However, your bank or credit union may charge fees for certain transactions. In conclusion, using Zelle is a convenient and secure way to send and receive money. By following these best practices and understanding how the app works, you can use Zelle with confidence. Remember to always be cautious when sending money and to keep your account and phone secure. With Zelle, you can easily split bills with friends, pay rent to your landlord, or send money to family members. Start using Zelle today and experience the convenience of peer-to-peer payments.